This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Deines. This one-level mid-century is set on private 0.19 acre lot west/small shed, plenty of space for gardening and great opportunity to make cosmetic changes to please yourself. Quiet street near bus line.Spacious living room, fireplace, hardwood floors. Dining room. Large kitchen, stainless steel appliances west/gas range.Newer gas furnace.Decommissioned oil tank. 3rd bedroom nonconforming. For more information, review the details below or contact Deines at 971-207-0492.